In this recording, we will have a closer look into processes and workflows and how SAP LeanIX supports these in context of EA governance. The foundation of processes and workflows in context of EA governance is supported with LeanIX by multiple capabilities. First one is around the surveys, so we can collect information from our stakeholders on a specific scope of fact sheets, take this into account, maybe also calculate certain findings out of it and then also store it in the fact sheets itself. We have the possibility of automations where we rather listen on specific events which are happening, which are taking place, and then define what kind of action should follow after the event happens. So let's assume we have applications and in there we have the time classification and someone is changing it from tolerate to eliminate, meaning that with the eliminate classification we should trigger an initiative in order to decommission that application. This we can all model with the help of the automation, listening on that field, eliminate of the time classification and then inform the responsible of that fact sheet to initiate a project for the decommissioning, for example. Then we have a very generic functionality which is around notifications, so meaning if changes are taking place on data level, then the responsible, accountable or observer gets informed about this change. In this recording, I would like to demonstrate the automations. So I moved on here with administration and then in the advanced settings, you find the section around automations. There's one automation which was created by my colleague Marianne. And let me open this because what we say here is we want to react upon an trigger, an event. So meaning if you see it here in the trigger section, if in the application fact sheet, there is a field value change within the time classification from anything, so any specific setting of time towards eliminate, we can now initiate an action that a responsible, you see it here, the selected fact sheet in the fact sheet subscription, is getting an action assigned to create now a new initiative. So this is with the background that if we set a application to eliminate, in the next step we would like to decommission this. Therefore, we have to initiate a project, a small project to do so, and that we can do with the help of such an automation that we listen on a specific trigger, like outlined here, in order to take then the next action.